Today in this video I'm going to show you guys some protective equipment that I wear. Pretty interesting, I guess. Start with this hard hat that I'm wearing. I just got this. If you guys noticed in the pickup, I leave it hanging in behind me there in the truck. Skull Guard maybe is the brand. Pretty good review, huh? Found it on Amazon. They usually cost like 100 or 120 bucks. I found this one for like 80 or 85, so I went ahead and picked it up. I don't know, I really like them. I like the headgear the most. This style of headgear is my favorite because it cups down over your head. When you got a square head like I do, it fits your head real good. Gloves next. I wear Tilghman gloves. Tilghman or Black Stallion, either one. Really don't make no difference. These knee pads you guys see me wearing. These are custom made by Tack and Hide. I think I gave $80 for the pair. If I remember right, yeah, $80. Pretty good review, huh? They're comfortable. Seems like the straps need to be a little further down. I mean, just a little. For my knees, I don't know. I mean, everybody's knees might be different, but for my knees, they could be a little bit further down because my knee tends to be like right up here sometimes, but I like them. I really do. They're comfortable. They're small. They're flexible. So I really like these knee pads. Let's go with these sleeves next. I wear these sleeves during the summertime whenever it's hot. I wear them underneath my welding shirt. Leo,
Year and a half.
if you guys have watched our family channel at all, we put a video on our channel, Austin and Kayla, of go to work with Austin. And Leo, my welding partner last year, he's the one that actually introduced me to this exact brand. You know, they make all kinds of these. Memphis Dyneema. Pretty good review, huh? Memphis Dyneema. Anyway, I really like them. They're durable. They're longer than a lot of them, and they're thick, so I like them a lot. I also wear this green sleeve over my right arm because that's the arm that gets burned up the most. They don't last very long, but you can get these at just about any welding supply. Oh yeah, I also have a leather sleeve. I'm gonna get that, hold on. Leather sleeve. I don't wear it very often, but it is a very good one. I've had a couple of different ones. This one come from Welder. I've talked about them a little bit. I like it because it's plenty long enough and comes down right here, covers this, and it comes around your arm. You know, on this heavy wall like we're on now, them sparks get right in here. You know, you can tell we're caught a lot of sparks, you know, laying on that bottom. But so I really like it. It's really comfortable. I don't wear this arm pad very often. This is a Lapco. It's comfortable. Nothing's wrong with it. It's what I started out with. It's a good arm pad. Nothing wrong with it at all. I just worked with some guys that had some custom made ones, so I had to have me a custom made one. First one I got custom made was this one here. It's got ostrich skin here and here. It's got elephant back here. A guy out of Texas, I believe, makes them. Lynn Marcantel, maybe? I don't know if he still makes them or not. It's been like 3 years since I've had this one. I tried putting some glue on the seams on this too, but over time sparks got down in there and everything. But I still use it. Still to this day use it. It's an alright arm pad. This elephant's really tough. So is that ostrich, believe it or not. It's really tough leather. They're pretty pricey. I mean, custom arm pads, pretty pricey. I think I gave 90, or was it 190? Pretty good review, huh? Big difference, I know. I don't know how much I gave for it, to be honest, but anywhere I've heard of them anywhere from less than $100 on up to $200 for custom made arm pads. The next one that I got made, it's all regular cowhide. Just a simple arm pad, it's a little bit smaller. The Oklahoma symbol right here. Can't see it no more. A guy out of Tennessee, Cookeville, Tennessee, makes these. I like them both. I like both arm pads. They're real good. I don't have any complaints really. I mean, it's just you got to get one that fits. You know, you want to get one that fits. You know, fits your arm and how you lean on the pipe and everything. You got to find one you like. I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Go check out Industrial Tradition if you haven't. We should have some hats by now, by the time this video goes up. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next Friday. And remember, learn something every day. Pretty good review, huh?